What's going on, everyone? So we had another really nice day in the quantum computer world. We are going to today focus on one of my favorite quantum computer companies, D-Wave. And we're going to do a little bit of a deep dive into everything that they are doing to separate themselves as a company and differentiate themselves as a quantum computer competitor in this space. So let's just jump right in. I am personally very excited. I have purchased my plane tickets and I am going out to the Qubits 2025 Quantum Realized Conference. So D-Wave announced this conference just within the last week. And the point of the conference is, let's hear why attend. Hear from organizations on the front lines of quantum computing adoption with talks, live demonstrations, showcasing real-world quantum applications across logistics and manufacturing, government, life. Get inspired by D-Wave's latest quantum innovations, product roadmap, learn about the latest groundbreaking quantum research. It's going to be a fun conference. Now, if any of you all that are following the channel, if you have any questions or if you have if you know anyone that works at D-Wave that I might have a chance to do an interview with, I'm going to bring some of my equipment and hopefully I can do some nice coverage of this event. Today, February 13th, we had a very nice headline. So this German company... So I don't speak German. I can't say this, but this German company purchased a D-Wave quantum computer, becoming the first high-performance computing center in the world to own D-Wave's Advantage system. So congratulations to D-Wave on the sale. D-Wave, a leader in the quantum computing system, software and services, and the world's first commercial supplier of quantum computers, and the JSC, announced today, and FZJ announced today that FZJ has purchased a D-Wave quantum computer, becoming the first high-performance computing HPC center in the world to own a D-Wave Advantage annealing quantum computer. With the purchase of the world's largest quantum computer and Europe's first quantum computer with more than 5,000 qubits and 15-way connectivity, the Unified Infrastructure for Quantum Computing, JUNIC, a public quantum computing user facility deployed by JSC, gains complete access to all aspects of the system, including the ability to modify system parameters and integrate the quantum system in new ways for new purposes. Let's read this quote here. The D-Wave Advantage system has played a pioneering role in development of the quantum optimization, both through its contributions to breakthrough research and the development of enterprise-grade solutions across numerous industries, said Professor Thomas Lippert. D-Wave stands alone as the only quantum vendor solving real-world problems today, and we're thrilled to be the first HPC center in Europe to own its groundbreaking annealing quantum computer. We have a different quote here. With D-Wave's innovative technology, the integration of the system into JUNIC and its future coupling with exascale supercomputer Jupiter, we will take the use of quantum technology in JULIC on behalf of Germany and Europe to a new level. Our experts are familiar with hosting the system, and JUNIC's scientific users have already been able to conduct remarkable research. We look forward to the further use of D-Wave and its coupling with the new exascale supercomputer generation, which we hope will enable us to look at scientific questions in a completely new way and solve real-world problems. And then we have the man, the myth, the legend, Dr. Alan Baratz. JSC's renowned HPC computing expertise combined with our transformational annealing quantum computing technology creates a powerful synergy. We are excited to see the innovations and applications that we expect will continue to emerge from this important collaboration. So congratulations to D-Wave, and yet another headline from this just getting off the ground quantum computer company, but you gotta love it because Dr. Baratz, I don't know if you all have seen this guy's resume, but holy smokes. Dr. Alan Baratz became the CEO of D-Wave in 2020, previously as the executive VP and R&D and Chief Product Officer. He drove development, delivery, and support of all D-Wave's product, technology, and applications. He has 25 years of experience in product development and brings new products to market at leading technology companies and software startups. As the first president of JavaSoft at Sun Microsystems, Alan oversaw the growth and adoption of Java platform from its infancy to a robust platform supporting a mission-critical application in nearly 80% of Fortune 1000 companies. So this isn't a first time for Alan to be on the cutting edge, leading a company to what people at first think is not a relevant technology, and suddenly 80% of Fortune 1000 companies are using it. He's also held executive positions at Symphony, Avaya, Cisco, and IBM, and he serves as CEO for other companies and a managing director for Warburg Pincus LLC. And Alan holds a doctorate in computer science from MIT. So the guy's resume is about as strong as it gets. You love to see him leading the charge and at the helm for D-Wave, based out of California. So if we go and look at how the market has responded, so let's just take a look at the last 2 days of trading. Okay, so D-Wave and QBTS was selling off pretty hard. It was actually $5.33 at market close on Tuesday. And then we had this lovely open, and for 2 days, we've rallied from a $5.28, 30-cent low to today at close, $6.51, with a very nice intraday gain. And we're starting to enter a conversation where maybe this consolidation pattern, a lot of these quantum stocks have been moving sideways for a little while, which I've said many times is super healthy. Actually, the parabolic gains really open these stocks up to shorts, and establishing a great support at this price level. Although some people who purchased this stock at a higher price may have been disappointed that it hasn't returned to its $10 price level when it was at its peak, that is okay. What is more important is what is in the future. What are catalysts for the future? So we have Alan saying on CNBC, I'm excited to share our next quarterlies. So that's a catalyst. Let's take a look.
Sounds like what generative AI promises to do, optimization, simulations, etc. If D-Wave is offering better optimization and tools, then why aren't you valued like an AI company? Why is your revenue, bookings, and profitability contracting in the latest quarter?
So a fair question. And this is a detail that I think a lot of people have missed. Listen very carefully to Alan's response.
So first of all, with respect to bookings and revenue, all I will say is that our business is actually growing quite nicely. And I am very much looking forward to sharing our Q4 and fiscal 24.
Was there an exception then? I mean, Q3 revenue was down 27% in your latest quarterly report. What happened?
As I said, Deirdre, I am really looking forward to sharing our Q4 and fiscal 24 financial and operating results when we report earnings.
So there you have it. The CEO saying we're looking forward to sharing Q4. It does sound like there is a very solid chance at a nice turnaround in the numbers. And this stock is currently trading at $6, right? And you have a huge conference coming up in the Qubits conference. You have the NVIDIA conference coming up. And then not only that, you have this huge headline about this high performance computing center owning a D-Wave Advantage system. But if we look at D-Wave's website, they have really stepped up their game. Okay. They have a really nice on-ramp they have a whole they have a whole letter to skeptics. D-Wave CEO published a letter in the Wall Street Journal to address misconceptions about quantum computing and educate the market about its near-term commercial viability. So I actually haven't seen this yet. I think they just added this not too long ago. Big tech leaders have demonstrated that they don't fully understand nuances of quantum computing. They speculated about its potential in 15, 20, or 30 years, but what they failed to mention is that quantum computing technology is delivering tangible value today. By the time you finish reading this letter, D-Wave quantum computing systems will likely have solved highly complex optimization problems for customers ranging from airlines to logistic companies to retailers. These calculations would have taken hours or days to complete on a classical computer, costing businesses precious time, energy, and money. We can address these problems in minutes. Is the value of quantum computing 15 years out? No, it's happening right now. So we can gather the gist. I really love how Alan is aggressively positioning his company as quantum is now. I think he's realizing there's an opportunity, a great market opportunity here to be one of the first movers. And I love the updates to the website. I love the conference, the stock prices starting to respond. Don't kid yourselves, people. This stock will not be trading at $6 by the end of March. There are way too many catalysts in the pipeline. You have their earnings coming up. You have the conference itself, and anything that comes out of the conference. You have the NVIDIA conference. D-Wave is on a roll. It's on fire. Good job. Keep it up, guys. Looking forward to meeting some of you at the conference at the end of March. All right, y'all. If you have found value in this video, please help out my channel by leaving a like or subscribe. It really helps me out. I'm just a small channel trying to grow. Spread the message about quantum computers.